In a peaceful green valley, where the sun always shone brightly, lived three best friends, Ollie, Aisha, and Bilal. They loved adventures more than anything. One sunny morning, they decided to explore the magical forest just beyond their village. The trees were tall and green, and colorful birds sang sweet songs all around them. "Let's see what's over this hill," shouted Ollie, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Aisha and Bilal followed, laughing as they ran through fields of wildflowers. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon a small cave. It wasn't dark and spooky like other caves. This one was glowing with a soft, warm light. "Wow, what's in there?" whispered Aisha, feeling brave. The three friends tiptoed inside. There, in the middle of the glowing cave, sat a tiny baby dragon. It had big, sad eyes, and tears were rolling down its little green cheeks. The poor thing was crying. "Hello, little one. What's wrong?" Bilal asked softly, stepping closer. The baby dragon looked up and gave a small, sad whimper. It tried to breathe fire, but only a few weak sparks came out. Ollie noticed a picture drawn on the cave wall. It showed a dragon holding a special, glowing flower. "I think I know what it needs," he said. "It needs a magical glowing flower to get its fire back." The three friends immediately set off to find the flower. They searched high and low, behind mossy rocks and under giant leaves. Finally, Aisha spotted it, a beautiful flower with petals that glowed just like the cave. They carefully picked it and rushed back to the little dragon. They offered the flower, and the baby dragon took a gentle bite. Suddenly, its whole body began to glow. The dragon took a deep breath, and this time, a soft, beautiful rainbow-colored flame danced from its mouth. It wasn't hot, but warm and sparkly. The baby dragon wasn't sad anymore. It smiled and nuzzled each of the children to say thank you. To their amazement, the dragon gently lifted them onto its back. With a happy roar, it flew out of the cave and soared into the sky. Ollie, Aisha, and Bilal laughed with joy as they flew above the valley, their new friend taking them on the most magical ride ever. If you like this story, please give us a like for more adventures and subscribe to our channel for the next video. Thanks for watching.